welcome back to this YouTube channel Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up MTM Tunnel Lite VPN in all countries, all networks for a fast, secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. That is it. So first step, subscribe. Second step, like the tutorial. Third step, open Google Play Store. And then in your Google Play Store, you're going to activate the search bar and then search MTM Tunnel Lite. Now download, install, and then after open that application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and documenting guidance. Now allow all permissions that will be requested to you by that application. Then after, check OK. Join the Telegram channel. Then in the first step, once you reach this application, it has restarted. This application has restarted for one reason. It was updating the servers automatically. Now give it some few seconds after it restarting. Check OK, check later. Then first step, if yours didn't update, come where you see updates. Then check until you see that no update is available. Check update, choose the online update method until you see message that no update is available. Now the next step, you're going to try to come where you see the servers, auto select server, and then in the servers we're going to be seeing these servers, but I recommend you now to use the best performance server. Now we're going to come where you see data in the last step. Now we're going to try to scroll down, looking for a country server, but don't choose your country server. There is this first server. If your country supports UDP, but if your country does not support UDP, you are free to use other servers. I recommend you guys to use this one. Then start, accept the connection request. Give it some few seconds to connect. Now it has connected successfully. Now, what if it fails to connect on your device? What are you going to do? If it fails to connect on your device, restart the application, reconnect again. Maybe you skipped the tutorial and missed out important updates. If you did all that and it still failed to connect, clear the update, clear the cake, restart your device, and then after, if you are in Uganda and yet it has failed to connect, don't worry, your phone has no problem, your SIM card has no problem. Text us with 20K, we activate your SIM card to KYC. The numbers are in the bio, and then maybe that is it. You can also try to buy land from home if you are in Uganda don't want to activate KYC. Buy land from home, which is okay. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maristic, and then I sign out.